Identification. This is not for broadcast. English by radio, grade 7, program number 27.
The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for grade 7. This is program 27. Lesson topic: what do we see if we go to Lalibella?
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hi, friends. Look, Hawa, I have done my homework.
I have also done it.
What have you done?
Oh, Leah, do you remember the What Have You Done song?
How is that one?
It's like this. What have you done? What has he done? What has he done today?
Oh, I like that song. Shall we sing it, Leah?
Of course. You'll sing with students. Students, let's sing the song together. Group 1 students, sing with Obang, and Group 2, sing with Hawa. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What have you done? What has he done? What has he done today?
I have washed my face, he has combed her hair, he has brushed his teeth. We all have come to learn, to learn.
That's good, students. Students, do you remember what we did last week? I hope you do. Hawa, do you also remember?
Yes, we talked about ways of traveling.
And we told you where we'll go for our vacation.
Yes. Where will you go for your vacation, Obang?
To Gambella.
Students, where will Obang go for his vacation? Yes, he'll go to Gambella.
But I'll go to Barda.
Students, where will Hawa go for her vacation? Yes, she'll go to Barda. Hawa will go to Barda and Obang will go to Gambella.
How about you, Leah? You didn't tell us where you'll go.
Oh, I'll go to Lalibella for my vacation.
To Lalibella?
Yes, students, where will I go for my vacation? Hawa?
You will go to Lalibella.
Students, tell me again, where will I go for my vacation? Yes, to Lalibella. I'll go to Lalibella for my vacation.
To visit your family?
No, I will go to Lalibella to see the churches.
To see the churches?
Yes, students, why will I go to Lalibella? Obang, why will I go to Lalibella?
To see the churches.
Students, tell me again, why will I go to Lalibella? Right, to see the churches. Students, say, he'll go to Lalibella to see the churches. Students, say again, he'll go to Lalibella to see the churches.
Leah, do you always go to Lalibella?
Not always, but you know, Lalibella is a place of interest for tourists.
For what?
For tourists. Don't you know what tourists are?
I know. Tourists are...
Wait, Obang, let me ask the students that question. Students, do you know what tourists are? Please tell your teacher what tourists are. Teacher, please ask your students the meaning of tourists or what tourists are. You have about 30 seconds. Thank you, teacher. Students, did you tell your teacher what tourists are? All right. Obang, please tell us what tourists are.
Okay. Tourists are people who make journeys to different places for pleasure.
Those people who travel to visit different places?
Yes, you are right. Many tourists come to Ethiopia.
Yes, I have seen many tourists in Gambella.
They also come to Bahar Dar.
But can you tell me why they come to Ethiopia?
Yes, some tourists come to Ethiopia to see historical places.
Right.
And others come to see wild animals and birds.
You are also right. Please tell me again, Hawa and Obang, why do tourists come to Ethiopia?
To see historical places.
And to see wild animals and birds.
Right. Students, why do tourists come to Ethiopia? Hawa and Obang?
To see historical places.
And to see wild animals and birds.
Students, tell me again, why do tourists come to Ethiopia? To see historical places, wild animals and birds. Right.
Only historical places?
Oh, no, not only historical places, but there are also different places of interest for tourists.
You mean natural things?
Yes, there are tourists who are interested in nature. There are different places of interest for them.
Like Tisisat Falls?
Yes, like Tisisat Falls. Can you tell me some places of interest in Ethiopia for tourists?
Yes, we can. For example, in Bahar Dar, Tisisat Falls.
Okay, now Obang?
In Lalibella, the churches.
Hawa?
In Gondar, the Semen Foxes.
Okay, now Obang?
In Gambella, wild animals.
Okay, Hawa?
In Aksum, the obelisks.
Thank you, Hawa and Obang. Students, now tell your teacher the places of interest for tourists in Ethiopia. Teacher, please ask your students one by one the places of interest for tourists they know in Ethiopia. You have about 1.5 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. But now, Group 2 students sing with Obang and Group 1 with Hawa. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What have you done? What has he done? What has he done today?
I have washed my feet, she has combed her hair, he has brushed his teeth. We all have come to learn, to learn.
That's good, students. Students, now listen to Hawa and Obang again. Listen.
Obang, tell me where tourists go to see different things in Ethiopia.
Okay, they go to Lalibella to see the churches. They go to Ambo to see Lake Wonji.
Okay.
They go to Harar to see the Hainame.
Right, and now it's my turn.
Okay, go on.
They go to Bahar Dar to see Tisisat Falls.
They
go to Aksum to see the obelisks.
That's very good. Students, listen again to Hawa and Obang, and then you will do in the same way in your pairs. But listen first.
Obang, please tell me again.
Okay, They go to Lalibella to see the churches. They go to Ambo to see Lake Wonji.
Okay.
They go to Harar to see the Hainame.
Right, and now it's my turn.
Okay, go on.
They go to Bahar Dar to see Tisat Force. They go to Aksum to see the obelisks.
That's very good, Hawa and Obang. Students, now do in the same way. In your pairs, tell your partner where tourists go to see different things in Ethiopia. Use the expression, they go to see. Teacher, please help your students to tell each other where tourists go in Ethiopia and what to see. Go around and help them in taking turns. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. Group 1, sing with Obang, and Group 2 with Hawa. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What have you done? What has he done? What has he done today?
I have washed my feet, she has combed her hair, he has brushed his teeth. We all have come to learn, to learn.
Let's sing the song for the last time. But now, Group 2, sing with Obang, and Group 1 with Hawa. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What have you done? What has he done? What has he done today?
I have washed my feet, she has combed her hair, he has brushed his teeth. We all have come to learn, to learn.
That's very good, everyone. Teacher, after the broadcast, please discuss the places of interest for tourists in Ethiopia with your students. Now it's time for us to go.
Yes, it's time to go. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
That was English for Grade 7 from the Ethiopian Educational Media Agency. Join us again next week in Program 28. Till then, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.